Alright. Stop and giggle. Up and wiggle. Down. Up and wiggle. Down. Wiggle. Up just a little and stop. Everybody turn around. Wiggle right.
You can do it when you're
And
You can do it with your friends. You can do it all alone. All you need
roll to the right. Roll to the left.
if you wanna do the boogie wiggle with me.
Alright! Good job! Everybody sit down, kids. Sit down. Ano ba yung lalaroin natin today? Ang lalaroin po natin ay shoot that ball. Doon po tayo sa may ball pool magpi-play. Siyempre, kailangan namin ng 2 groups. Everybody let's stand up po. Stand up. Arms forward po. Arms forward. Ate Shai, ilan na kayo dyan? 5. Ate Mara, lipat po yung iba dito. Ate Mara, ilan na kayo dyan? Arms forward po. Arms forward po. Arms forward. Dito sa team ni Ate Shai. Hi, kids! Hi! Ang team ni Ate Shai ay Team Yellow. Kids, ano po ang team ni Ate Shai? Team? Yellow. Good job. Hi, kids! Hi! Ang team ni Ate Mara. Ano po ang team ni Ate Mara? Team? White. Good job. Siyempre, doon tayo sa may ball pool magpi-play. Arms forward lang po. Let's go na po. Sa right side, ang team yellow, and then sa left side, ang team white. Dito po ang team white. Sa right side po ang team yellow. Everybody stand up po. Everybody stand up. Siyempre, bago po tayo mag-start, our safety reminders. No pushing, bawal daw po magtulakan. No running, bawal daw po maghabulan. Do not jump. Be sports and enjoy the game. Alright, Alright, panalo po ang Team Yellow. I'll get your votes again for the second round. Already for the second round.
Janela.
please.
Janela. Are. Janela. Come here. Let's go. Let's go.
14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, time's up.
Okay, let's go.
Yes, sabay-sabay ulit tayo mag-count. Alright, kids, sabay-sabay ulit tayo mag-count. In 3, 2, 1, go! 5,